Building a PC today can feel like navigating a maze. Prices for graphics cards, processors, and motherboards can skyrocket without warning, leaving even experienced builders shocked. Some components cost more than entire laptops, while others seem almost too cheap to be real. Every year, trends, shortages, and new technology shake up the market, turning what should be a simple hobby into a game of strategy. Yet, despite the cost, enthusiasts keep building, upgrading, and chasing the perfect setup, proving that for some, the thrill of a powerful rig is worth every dollar.